Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create new pages on your WordPress website. It's quick, easy, and straight to the point, so let's jump into it. Alright, so you can do this Google search here, but gives you the basic requirements on some of these platforms. Here is a finished product, so let's go over here. I made this page in probably 5-10 minutes. To create a new service page for local service ads management. And basically you prompt ChatGPT and tell it exactly what you're looking for. The only thing it can't do is render the images into the HTML. So it's basically going to create you HTML code. So you can do this for any page. If you're doing a service page, a location page, a product page, etc., you can ask it for HTML code. Now here's what I prompted ChatGPT. Create a new service page on the Momentum Digital website. Here's the link. Page focus, local service ads, keyword focus, design. Create a design layout similar to this branded page, so it knows what layout to use. So you see the layout here. It's going to be very similar in terms of the initial structure of the page. Now, here's the pricing I wanted to use. Here's what details that I could source on the internet. You know, how does LSA work? How do you get Google guaranteed? What documents do you need? How to manage it, etc. I said include the raw HTML code to inject these YouTube videos. Also include keyword-rich paragraph about Momentum Digital and how we can help set up LSA for companies. Include Momentum branding, fonts, and colors. It gives me this code right here. So what you're gonna do, and you can kind of go back and forth when you're editing this to get the final product you're looking for. So I'm going to save this page. Now, it kind of depends on what page builder you're using. So if you're in WordPress, log in, go to pages, you're going to create a blank new page. Or you can copy an existing page and kind of edit it from there. Just create a title. We're going to use add element. And you want to use raw HTML. You can edit it with Elementor, WordPress, Bakery Builder, Gutenberg, it doesn't really matter. You're going to paste that HTML in here, save the changes. Now remember, it's not going to use the images or certain custom coding for design that you might want to add later. You could also do this into certain blocks and chunks instead of doing it all at once to break it up and add different design elements. You will want to add keywords, you know, LSA ads, management with Momentum Digital, and you know, use meta title, meta description. And then you can add more to this in terms of certain tags, descriptions, keywords, different design elements, different things you want to do here. But just for the sake of this video, added the basic SEO structure, layout, slug, permalink, and then just hit preview. So it's going to give you an example of what was developed in the code here from ChatGPT. And you can go back and say, you know, remove the pricing. And it can give it to you again. Here's the breakout design. So you're going to want an image here based on the page layout from the example we gave it. And then we can tell it to color code these blocks. So, sorry, my phone keeps ringing. If you want more color and design, you can just tell ChatGPT to add that. So let me pause and do that. All right, so we just got the updated feedback from the HTML code from GPT. Pricing section removed, FAQ section added with the colors with white cards inside. So we'll copy this code, go back over here. We're going to edit this. I'm just gonna select all, delete it, paste. I'm also going to try to remove the content at the very top here. Give me 1 second. We're gonna save this, preview. It'll refresh. So like I said, just need to replace the images. All right, so we scroll down, now we've got an orange section here. You can add it, tell it to add more details. You can tell it to add basically the code from the entire footer, or do that within the settings of the WordPress content management system. But yeah, pretty quick and easy. You could crush out a lot of pages like this and just tell it to swap the content, duplicate the code, add new pages, duplicate pages, swap out the code. Pretty easy stuff. I hope this is helpful. Make sure whenever you're doing this, you add basic SEO to the pages: internal linking, tagging and compressing images, metadata, unique rich content. You don't want to use copy and paste with AI because it detects that for indexing issues. But hopefully this was helpful. It can help you with landing pages, location pages, so on and so forth. So if you like this, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave a question if you have one below. I run a big marketing agency in Philly. I used to work for Google, and now we help small businesses across the country grow online and get more customers. So I'll see you next time, and good luck. Have fun.